This is our 2019 GMC Yukon Denali. It has cruise control as well as a heated steering wheel. It has the trailer brake controller as well as the heads-up display and memory seats. It has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, as well as navigation. Heated and cooled front seats, as well as a wireless charging spot on the center console. It has the universal home remote, as well as a sunroof. It does have the power side steps. The exterior color is silver with the black leather interior. The seats are power. Coming into the back seat, the second row seats are heated, as well as they have their own climate controls. This is a 7-passenger vehicle. It also has the Bose sound system. And that is our 2019 GMC Yukon Denali. If you have any questions or would like more information, you can go to gomeyermotors.com. Thank you for watching.